Dajahaw ni hao, welcome back to Bugs Kitchen channel, and today's video we're going to cook mantou or steamed bun. In a large basin we need 2.5 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix it well. In a bowl we need here 1/3 cup of warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of active yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to mix it and set aside. Let it set for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. And now we're going to add it on our flour. And we're going to add 1/2 cup of warm water. Add it gradually and mix it well until well combined. You can use your electric mixer if you have. And we're going to cover it and let it set for at least 1.5 hours or 2. So after 2 hours our dough is already growing, and this is what it looks like. Don't overstress your dough so much. After you take it in a bowl, you just make a round shape and that's it. And now we're going to flatten it, and we're going to use the roller. We're going to make a round shape here like a dough pizza. Don't make it too thin but not too thick. So I use this drinking glass. Its width is like a 2.5 inch to make a round shape. So we're going to prepare our parchment paper, and we're going to add some oil. Don't put too much, just a little bit, and just spread it with your bare hands, just like that. We're going to fold it and flatten it. There you go. Repeat the same process. And now we're going to let it set for 30 minutes. Just cover with it. And now, while waiting, we're going to boil some water for steaming. And now it's already boiling, and after 30 minutes, and now we're going to steam it for 8 minutes in a medium high heat. And after 8 minutes, don't open, just trust the process. Just turn it off and just leave it alone for 5 minutes, and there you go. How pretty our mantou or steam bun is. Look at that. So pretty our steam bun is. It's so soft. There you go. So I hope you like our recipe for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you everyone. God bless. Bye.